Let me introduce the Barcode Creator and Generator add-on for Google Sheets. This add-on lets you create barcodes from your Google Sheets data, either static or dynamic. Go to Extensions, Add-ons, then Barcode Creator and Generator, and click Configure. We have a sheet named Sheet 1 with the headers ID, email, city, state, and zip. Now, in the editor, choose Sheet 1, then select the barcode type. You can choose from different QR code types, as well as several barcode formats. Let's try code 128. Under options like scaling, you can increase or decrease the size. Including the height and width. You can leave it empty to set it to auto. You can change the barcode color or the background color. You can also click the reset button anytime. To restore the default settings, you can apply borders or padding, change the border color and thickness. And adjust the border spacing. Now, you can choose to download a static barcode, or if you want barcodes. For every row, let's continue. The text 12,345 is static. Let me make it dynamic. Go back and select ID. ID corresponds to column A in my sheet. Now go to the Extra Text tab. It currently shows Scan Me. I don't want that. Instead, I'll use the first name, add a space, and then the last name. This will display the person's full name. Now I choose the font as OCRA and apply it to the text as well. I can increase or decrease the size of the extra text. I'll reduce the size slightly. I can also align the name, top, center, bottom, or below the barcode. Let's try center alignment. I click Next. Now I choose where to place it. I prefer column L, but you can choose any column you like. My data starts from row 2, so I'll generate up to row 10. I click Generate, and it starts creating barcodes one by one. The first one is ready, the second one is ready, and so on. This is where the barcodes are generated for each row using dynamic data. I hope this add-on is helpful. Thank you.